Oh, and if you're still in bed watching this, don't worry, I won't judge. But you might want to sit up, or at least hit pause and grab your mat. Let's start with child's pose, a simple yet powerful way to wake up your body and calm your mind. Take a deep breath in and out. Feel the tension in your back melt away. This is your time. No emails, no deadlines, just you. Think about how your day usually goes when you skip this kind of self-care. Stiff shoulders, low energy, and that mid-afternoon crash. But not today. Today, you're taking control. Now let's move into cat-cow pose. And no, this isn't about pretending to be a farm animal, though if that helps, go for it. This pose is all about waking up your spine and improving flexibility. Inhale, arch your back, exhale, round it. Feel that? That's your body thanking you. Stick with me, because in just a moment, we're going to unlock a pose that will boost your energy like a double shot of espresso without the crash. Here we go, downward dog. This is where the magic happens. Push through your palms, lengthen your spine, and feel the stretch in your hamstrings. If this feels tough, don't worry, it's supposed to. But trust me, by the end of this routine, you'll be flowing through it like a pro. Imagine how good it's going to feel when you can touch your toes without bending your knees, or when you breeze through your day with energy to spare. That's the power of consistency. Now let's move into Warrior 1. And no, you don't need a sword for this. Just a strong stance and a focused mind. Feel your legs getting stronger, your balance improving. You're not just doing yoga, you're building a stronger, healthier version of yourself. Stay with me because the next pose is going to challenge you, but it's also going to leave you feeling unstoppable. And drop a comment below. Let me know how you feel after this session. Was it energizing? Challenging? Let's chat. Remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. See you tomorrow. Same time, same place. Until then, take care of yourself. You've got this.